Nothing more packages, I think. Yep. Cheers, mate. Packages there, boy. So opens up, see what they are. Can't guess. And yes, I'm listening to New Kids on the Block. They are on my record player. Sure, I don't have time. We ain't got time to do that because we've got to get into these packages. Right. Right, these ain't Rusty Bromleys. These are ASOS shoes. Going to a wedding next weekend. I bought new shoes and ASOS shoes. Smart as fuck. Getting to the real thing that I want to show. I'm shredded. Yeah, that's what we're here to talk about. About this hat. It's how the hat fits. Won't wear it backwards, I don't remember hats backwards, but yeah. Backwards, yeah. How the hat fits. I'm in boxing now, but yeah. Hat I'm going to be wearing. These are the boxers I'm wearing. These are Versace boxers, yeah. And yeah, get the rest of the fit. Shorts. Got this pill face. And I'm loving it. Shorts. Let's put them on. Because it's hotter than a devil's dick. It's what I'm wearing. Vest. Yellow vest, go to yellow. In the shorts. And then the yellows go in the hat. And the red in the patches, go red in the hat. T-shirt acquired on, vest acquired on. See the chest gains, see the gains in my arms. Tie up the shorts, tuck it in, bam to go. Just get in to accessories. Like gold and green watch because I've lost my real one, don't fuck done with it. I literally these, I got this what my nan gave me, saying that in another video, YSL, gold bracelet, I never take it off, no matter what I wear, gold and silver. And I got this pill face, chain, a wrap band, a bracelet, cancer research, band elsewhere. White Adidas, Croc slides, white and black, striped socks, my Versace boxers, and yeah, my fit. So yeah, don't drink and drive, smoke, ride, do have fun. Also, I've just realised that I'm dressed like New Kids on the Block. Suck my cock. Yeah, that's what I'm dressed like. So yeah, that is me. I should be a new member of New Kids on the Block. That's what I do in the video. Oh yeah, let's go. So that's my fit. Socks, acquired on black and white striped socks. And then check these babbles there. These are Adidas slides, but they look like Crocs. Fucking yeah, always quite a lot, you can tell. I keep them in good condition though. Yeah, put them on, and that's my fit. That's my fit, boy. Get ready with me. So, got this new sick ass 2000s cross colours hat, back, side, front. Got unboxed in my boxers. Oh, I got postman with boxers. Yeah. Got this yellow t-shirt. Go yellow, pill face. I'm loving it. Shorts. Yeah. Drawstrings, chains, real chain, fake dog tag, real aftershave, Tidbake London, just use it up, XO, and then for body spray, Lynx, Dark Temptation. Let's go. And I almost forgot black shades, because it's hotter than devil's dick and I want to be able to see. So yeah, that's my fit. Get into the outro. Bam.